Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add a custom Add to Cart button in Woocommerce. First of all, open WordPress. Go into the Plugins option of the dashboard. Here search Custom Buttons for Woocommerce. Open to activate. First install and activate it. Click to activate. We have installed this plugin to use in our website. Then click on its setting and change the simple product variable external group product. Change the text of the buttons as per your choice. For the simple product, My Cart. Choose variable products for variable products. External product should be My Product. Then select the Enable Customer. From the Change button, select the Shop and Archive pages. After all of the changes, click to save the changes. Now you can use the button on your website. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.